The webinar will begin shortly. Please remain on the line. The webinar will begin shortly. Please remain on the line. The webinar will begin shortly. Please remain on the line. The webinar will begin shortly. Please remain on the line. The webinar will begin shortly. Please remain on the line. The webinar will begin shortly. Please remain on the line. The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hello, good evening everyone. Am I audible? Hello, good evening everyone. Am I audible? Hello everyone. Am I audible? Hello, good evening. Am I audible? Okay, from YouTube, I'm getting response that I'm audible. Okay, other people in the session? Yeah, okay. Okay, fine. So, yes, what were we discussing in the last class, everyone? What were we discussing in the last class? What was the screen we were implementing in the last class? We have already implemented what? Okay, micro mode. We have implemented the grill mode. So, in the last class, what was the mode we were implementing? In the last class, what was the mode we were implementing? Yeah, we were implementing what? The convection mode. We were implementing what? The convection mode. Okay, so in the convection mode, what we were implementing means as per the requirement, first we have to allow the user to set the temperature. After entering the required temperature, we are allowing the user two options, either to clear the temperature or to enter the temperature. If clear means again we should be allowing user to enter the temperature. If cleared, okay, then what should happen? The preheating should happen. For 60 seconds, preheating will happen. Okay, after preheating, once preheating is completed, then next what will happen? We are going to the display time only. The already we have implemented this function. Next is what? Display time. Okay. So here what we are having? Set time. First what we will be doing is we will be allowing the user to set the temperature. Set temperature. After allowing the user to set the temperature, what we will be doing? Okay, we'll be allowing the user to set the temperature. After user reading and implementing the temperature, what will be the next thing? Read the temperature. Okay, set the temperature. Next thing. Okay, will be nothing but after setting the temperature, what will be the next thing we will be doing? Preheat. Okay, preheat for 60 seconds. Preheat for, okay, 60 seconds. After preheating the screen for 60 seconds, we have to switch the screen to what? Display time. Again, we have to start from what? Okay, sorry, set time, display time. Allow the user to set the time. Okay, and display time. And display the time. So here we were implementing this part yesterday. What is that? Set temperature. Okay, the set temperature, what we are doing is, okay, we are allowing the user to enter the temperature by from the key, read temperature from the user. Again, we are providing the option to clear the temperature, star, and to enter the temperature. Okay, so let us implement this part. We were almost done this. Okay, we will try to close it now. Okay, where it is the code, what we have discussed in the last class, till here. Okay, where is that? Yeah, set temperature. Yeah, set temperature. What we are doing here is we are taking variables called key count, display blank, and delay. Okay, very much similar to set time only. Okay, if the reset flag is true, what we are doing is we are making, okay, temperature as 0, key count as 0, and blink position as 0. Okay, then what we are doing here, we are toggling one variable called display blank for every 10 times. This is nothing but to display the temperature. Okay, temperature, we are displaying temperature for certain time, blank for certain time. Display the temperature certain time, blank for certain time. This is nothing but to blink it. Okay, to blink the temperature field. To blink temperature. Okay. Then what we are doing is we are setting the temperature here. Okay. After that, we are reading from the user. Okay. If the key is not equal to star hash or not all equal to all it is, we are reading and storing back it into temp only. We are storing back it into what? Temp. Okay. I'll just remove the comments. This was comment I copied. Okay. This is for temperature. 3 times we are reading temperature. Okay. After reading temperature, what we are doing is we are putting back here only. Temperature is equal to temp multiplied by 10 plus key. We keep reading the temperature. Then if key star is pressed, we are clearing the temperature back to 0. Then key if hash is pressed, from here I have to, implementing that preheating thing. Okay, we have to implement that preheating thing. Okay, till here things are clear. We just set the screen. We are reading temperature and reading back and putting it to temp. Like example, if I first enter 1, okay, 1 multiplied by 10, then plus. Again, next what we are doing, again that is multiplied by 10. It will become what? 100. Like that. Whatever we are adding number, we are multiplied by 10 and storing back into what? Temp. 1 into 10 first. Then if I enter 2, then what we are doing? 10 into 10 plus 2. 10 into 10. Okay, that will become what? Again 100 now. Then if I enter 2, what will happen? Plus 2. So 1 or 2 temperature if you are trying to add here. Like that. One by number, we are multiplying and keeping it there. Multiplying and keeping it there. Okay. Next, this is what we are already done with what? Okay. Only temperature. So what we will do now here, we'll clean and build this and check it out. After that, we'll come back and implement the preheating thing. After that, we'll come back and okay, we have errors here, we'll fix it. Okay, in the micro1.c, I have not put a semicolon. Where is that? Here. Okay, then where else? This is warning. Again, error. Blink position is not declared. Okay, let us declare that blink position as well. I have not declared few variables. Let us declare it. See this, what I did, most of the thing I copied it from where? From, okay, set time. Most of the things what I did was I copied it from what? Set time. Okay, we copied it from what? Set time, because you know set time also same like that. Set this, okay, display these things. Then using the switches, we are reading the seconds and minutes. And if key star is pressed, okay, and read it as temperature, hash is pressed. Okay, star is pressed, clear it, hash is pressed, continue. And displaying also displaying the okay field by blinking it. So what I did was I just copy pasted that last class, copy pasted that code here, and we made the changes for temperature. Okay, that's what we have done. So only few variables I missed out here. Okay. Okay, still we have errors. Warning, warning. Okay, here temperature displaying. Yeah, one bracket is missing here. Let me clean and build now. See these errors, okay, you have to read the error and you have to fix it. When you come clean and build, right, you'll get the error here. Warnings, it's okay. If you're getting error, just click on that, it will take you to that line. If you just click on that, it will take you to that line. It will tell in what file it is the error, which line it is the error. You just click on it, it will take you to that file. There you can go and solve your errors. Okay, so it's now clean and build is successful. I'll just reload the hex file. Okay, load the hex file. Yeah, we are having this micro oven powering on. Then options. Okay, we have implemented the convection mode. Let me press the convection mode. Yeah, it's okay, displaying the temperature. It will allow the user to enter the temperature. I will press here 1, then 2, then 5. What is not taking 5? Okay, let me clear this. I think so. After clear also, we have not implemented anything here still. Yeah, we have to update those variables. Okay, first let me reset one more time. Few issues are there, we have to fix them. Let us fix them. First, I'll select here convection mode. It's allowing, this part is correct. It's allowing to allow the user to enter the temperature here. Okay. Yeah, it's not reading the next key, only 2 keys it is reading, that we have to update. Then next is it's now clear is happening, but after that clear, it's not taking the temperature. Yeah, that we have to implement. And enter still we have not implemented, that will take care. Okay, so those things to be implemented here. Vasant, I will tell about the project details later once we complete. Okay, still 2 things are there to implement, convection mode and heat mode. So after that, I will be explaining you the deadline of the project, what to submit and where to submit. Okay, everyone. First, we'll complete this part. Once this part is over, we will see okay what to complete and where to you have to submit, what all things you have to submit. I'll give you the details. Okay, so here I have micro oven. Okay, so let us try if it is equal to key count. Okay, we'll change this to 4 and see what will happen. Less than or equal to 4. Then temperature I am making it as 0. Okay, what I will do here after making temperature back to 0, let us make key count back to 0 as well, because I should be able to re-enter the temperature. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to put key count back to 0. Okay, because of this, what is happening? We are not re-entering this. Even though I'm pressing the key, it's not reading the, okay, my temperature. So I'm making key count back to what? 0. Okay, then next what we are having is key is equal to hash. Then what we have to do is we have to implement the preheat thing. Okay, this one thing we will try once. Clean and build. Okay, let us, okay, reload this. Actually, 1 minute here, going to the code. Okay, macro1.c. I don't need blink position, I think so anywhere. We are using blink position anywhere, no, right? Are we using blink position? No, right? Yeah, I will just remove this blink position, not required. This is was from the, okay, that display time thing. Okay, not required. I'll just remove this. Okay, fine. However, we will see the okay, 5 I'm select 3 I'm selecting the convection mode. Then I'm entering the temperature. 1, 2, and 4. Why it's not going? Yeah, 1, 2, 4 entered. Okay, then clear was not working. Let us try one more time. 1, This blinking time is too much. I will reduce it. Okay, it's taking temperature now. Temperature we are able to read. Okay, that is fine. This delay I'll just reduce it to 5 because it's blinking too slowly. Delay I will just displaying blank displaying is there, right? I'll just reduce it to 5 because it's blinking too slowly. Okay. Okay, fine. That is all fine now. Okay, next thing is what we have to check here. Okay, I think so here key count what is happening, it is also incrementing for this case also. When I put key as 0, right? When key is not equal to 0, then also this key count is incrementing. Because of that, we are not getting the okay value here. Okay, because of that, we are not getting the value here. Okay, so what I will do here is, okay, I'll put this condition as well. Then it will work. However, now also it's working. I've just changed it to okay 4. I have just changed it to what 4 because okay it will work. Because here when key is 0, then also it's incrementing and it's not working. Even in the okay in the someone asking me, Shrijan asked, okay, ma'am, time is not working here. Time is not working because here when key is 0, right? Key is not equal to star, not equal to hash, not equal to always, but key is 0. That time also your key count is incrementing. That time also your key count is incrementing. So what I can just do here is one thing. Either I have to put a one more condition is key is not equal to 0. That I can put, or just I have to change this condition as what? Key okay less than or equal to 3, here less than or equal to 5. If you make these changes, it will work. Key count less than or equal to 3 and this one less than or equal to 5. Okay, one extra count because when key becomes 0, that time also your key count is incrementing. Key count is what? Incrementing. However, by adding 0, it is not making us any changes. It's not making any difference when okay key is 0. Either that way we have to do, or we have to put this in a else if condition. Have to put this in what? Else if condition. If I, however, I'm putting like this 3 and 5, we will see if we are getting any issues. Then we'll put this in a else if condition. When reset flag is not true, then we will implement these things here. Okay. However, now we'll go for preheating. I hope Srijan, it will be you can fix this Srijan. Okay, but just change this as 3 and 5. This will work. And in set temperature, we can do it as what? Okay, change it to 4. See why we are doing this? Let me repeat one more time. The culprit is here because what will happen when you come here? Key is 0. We are making key 0 so that we don't read the first key as the temperature. Then what will happen here? Here what we are doing? We are checking if it equal to, not equal to star, not equal to hash, not equal to all list. Because that time this is true. That time also your key count will increase because of that. Fine. Yes, temperature is done, clearing is done. Next is implement the preheat screen. Next implement is what? Preheat screen. Yeah. Now what we have to do is preheating screen. We are going to check here in the preheat screen what we are supposed to do. Okay, in the preheat screen we have to heat. Okay, we have to just display that it's heating. Okay, we have to display it's preheating, and we have to keep displaying the time till 60 seconds. We have to display that it's heating, and we have to display the time for 60 seconds. Again, we have to use timer here. Again, we have to use what? Timer here. Okay, we have to display preheat in the first, second line, then we have to display time remaining in the third line, and we have to display it in what? In terms of seconds. And we have to turn on the timer here. We have to set heating time as well as. Okay, let me add a comment here. Display preheating along with the time left. Along with the time left. So in order to do this, we'll be using what? Timer. Okay, so first we have to turn on the timer. We have to take a preheating variable as well as. Okay, so I'll take here one variable. I'm going to use it in ISR as well as unsigned char preheat, which is equal to 60 seconds. I'll take it as 60. And I'm going to extend this into what? Into the main ISR. Into the ISR. Okay, extern unsigned char. I will not initialize it here also. They're also not required. Okay, I'm extending this into the interrupt ISR function. In the main also, not main, in the micro1.c we are declaring it. Will not initialize. We will initialize only when we are preheating it. Yeah. So here we start preheating when we press the key hash. Turn on the timer here first. Okay, we'll initialize preheat. Preheat is equal to 60 seconds. Then turn on the timer. Okay, turn on the timer. We are assigning here timer as what? 1. Okay, turn on the timer. We are preheating it. Okay. Then after that, what we have to do is we have to display here what? Okay, the time left. So for that, first we have to clear the screen. So let me clear the screen here. I'll call clear screen function. Okay, clear the screen. Preheat, we are setting it to 60 and turn on the timer. So once you turn on the timer, what will happen? Okay, your ISR function will get executed whenever there is overflow. So what this preheat time, we are making it as what? 60. So you should decrement for every 1 second. So what I will do here is for every 1 second, I'll decrement here. We know when count is equal to 20,000, it is 1 second. When count reaches 20,000, we know it is 1 second. So what I will do here, for every 1 second, I'll decrement that preheat. Okay, time. And we have to decrement only if it is greater than 0. So if preheat is greater than 0, then keep decrementing it for every 1 second. Preheat minus minus. So this will decrement for every 1 second. Yeah, so going back to the micro1.c, so what we did was we initialized preheat to 60 and turn on the timer. Since we turn on the timer every 1 second, this will keep reducing. This preheat time keep reducing. Now we have to display it on the what? Okay, CLCD. Now we have to display it on what? CLCD. How long we have to display till it becomes 0? Okay, till it becomes what? 0. Okay, so for that, okay, I'll first print it. Okay, preheating. Okay, line 1 of 3. Okay, we are preheating it. Then we are going to display the time left. Okay, line 2 of. So I'm printing it from the first line, from third position I'm printing it preheating, then I'm displaying the time left on the line 2. And that too in seconds. Okay, so time left, how much time is left, that we are indicating using preheat. So that I have to print till it becomes 0. So what I will do here is I'll take a while loop. Okay, on the while loop till pre-seconds becomes 0. Preheat becomes 0. While preheat, if it isn't true, then we keep displaying it. One minute. Yeah, so what we are doing here is, if I open the requirement document, this is what we are displaying here. Okay, preheat, we have to print it on what? Line 1 from 0, 1, 2. Okay, from second position. Then in the line 2, we are not displaying anything. In the line 3, we are time displaying what? Time remaining. I'll change it. Then I have to print the time and followed by seconds. I have to followed by what? Seconds. Okay, that I have to print. Okay, so here creating line 1 from there, then time remaining we are going to print from the line 2, not line 2, actually line 3 as far the datasheet is concerned. Time remaining. Then I have to print here from here I have to print the time. CLCD put CH. Okay, now what is happening now? Preheat is nothing but here it is a number. I have to make it into ASCII and I have to print it. Okay, here we already have that. We are making the temperature into ASCII and we are printing it. That only I'll copy. Just position and the variable will change. We already have the logic for converting a number into ASCII. Their temperature I'll remove, preheat. Yeah, this I'm going to print it on line 3. From 0th I'm printing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Till 8 I'm having column. This I can print it from the 9th position. Line 3 of 9. Line 3 of 9. Line 3 of 10. Then line 3 of 11. Yeah, this is what we are left with, what? Preheat time. Then time remaining we are going to print it in what? Seconds. So again I'll use CLCD put CH only. From 12th position I'll print seconds. Okay, seconds from the line 3, 12th position. Fine. So this is what we are doing here. First, what we are doing, if it is hash, we have to display the preheat screen. So I'm taking preheat as 60. Okay, then timer will be turning on. We are displaying what? Preheat and time remaining. So till time keeps remaining, we will be what? Okay, displaying that like 60, 59, 58, 56, 57, yeah, 57, 56, 55 till it becomes 0. We keep displaying that only. Till once it is becoming 0, okay, I'll just put it here because this, if I put here, it will come later. Yeah, yeah, we keep displaying the preheat time left. Okay, time remaining, we keep displaying how much time is remaining for preheating. Okay, done. Preheating is done. After preheating, what is our next requirement? If you see here, once preheating is done, we have to again same thing. We have to display the set time, and this set time and display time should get happen. Okay, this is nothing but it is a part of a micro mode. Okay, it's part of what? Micro mode. So what I will do is I will just change the screen flag to micro mode. So everything will get implemented on its own. Everything will get implemented on its own because we know micro mode, from here micro mode and grill convection mode are same only. Where once you set your preheat time, then again same thing, set time, display time, set time, display time. So what I will do, I will just change the screen flag to what? Micro mode here. I'll just change the screen flag to what? Micro mode here. From here things will repeat, correct? Once we're done with preheating, yeah, once we are done with preheating, okay, what we will do is, okay, we'll just switch to the screen flag to the micro mode, so that after the this thing, after displaying the pre-time, it will just go to the micro mode, and here we have to turn off the timer. Here we have to turn off the timer. TMR to on equal to 0. Understood everyone? So what we implemented here is, first we implemented the set temperature. For set temperature, what we are doing is we are reading from the user based on the key press, whether it is 1, 2, 3, whatever key is pressed. Based on that, we are storing that, okay, key press into temp variable. That is nothing but our temperature. Then after that, what we are doing is, here we are, after setting the temperature, okay, we are providing the option user to either to clear the temperature and re-enter or continue with the enter temperature. Then one more thing what we will do here is, okay, if temperature is greater than 180, I'll keep temperature back to 180 only. Let us put one threshold also. If temp is greater than 180, let us make it as 180, not more than that. Let us put one threshold for this one. Okay, we are entering temperature here. If it is greater than 180, we are making it as 180. Yeah. So if it is enter temperature, we are heating it. We are setting the preheat time. Once preheat time is completed, we are switching the screen flag to micro mode, because next requirement is nothing but to set the time and display the time. That's from here things will remain same. Okay, let me clean and build this now. Yeah, build is successful. Yeah. So here I am selecting the convection mode. We are entering the temperature 125. Okay, then here we are entering the temperature. Either you can clear or you can enter. I'll press enter. Yeah, preheating. It is displaying the time left, time remaining. You can still move it to the center if you want. It's down counting the time. Yeah. Here's one more thing. We have to clear the screen before going there. That is not happening. However, we'll see the enter temperature. We will enter the time. Okay, next. What happened here? However, we have to clear the screen. That I have to take care. Here, this is working. I don't know why this came. Okay, that I have to take care. One more thing. Okay, we'll just reset this. Okay, I'll select again the convection mode. Wait, first let me complete it. We'll clear the screen. We'll go here. Before this, we'll clear the screen. Where is that set temperature? Yeah, in the set temperature, we are setting the preheat time. After preheat time, we are changing the screen flag, turning off the timer. We'll do clear screen also. Okay, we are doing clear screen. Then it will actually go to what Okay, set time actually. It will go to set time function. Once we will do reset flag also, because we have to reset the, if it's called again. Okay, the micro mode, what we are calling is set time, set time we are calling. So set time we have to make seconds, minutes, everything 0. Okay, however we are doing this, let us first clean and build. Okay, I will reload the last. Yeah, we reading the temperature here. I'll just enter the temperature as 120 and enter. Here down counting is happening. Yeah. So here it is allowing the user to enter the time. Let me enter the time as 5 seconds. Okay, now it's 51 seconds. Then enter. Yeah, it's going to start the time. It's down counting the time. Again, we have option for user to pause the, start the cooking, pause the cooking. Okay, then stop the cooking. Wait, start, pause, stop. Yeah, these things will remain same because we are copying the same function. Now here we are done with micro mode, grill mode and convection mode. Only start mode is pending. Let us quickly go through it and we will finish the start mode as well as. Start mode is easy only, nothing much there. There also set time and display time only we have to call. Yeah, start mode, nothing but, okay, here when we select the, okay, start mode, directly we have to allow the user to set the time and, okay, display the time. Only thing is to start with, your time will start from where means, okay, from 30 seconds. Okay, we are not, sorry, no set time here, only directly start only. Yeah, in start mode, nothing but it will directly go to display time only, where you are starting your time with 30 seconds. Okay, to start micro one time, okay, minutes and seconds will be displayed. This mode will start the micro with default 30 seconds, and remaining cooking time, okay, will be printed. And whenever you press the key 4, every time your cooking time increments by 30 seconds. Whenever, if you want, suppose you start your cooking time with 30 seconds, if you still want to cook additional 30, then just press key 4. Okay, then key 5 to pause cooking, key 6 is to stop the cooking. Remaining things will remain same, only one additional thing. Okay, when you are choosing this, okay, start mode, Okay, by default it will start cooking with the 30 seconds time. It will start cooking with what? 30 seconds time. Okay, so here when the start mode is selected, going back here main, we have already put it. Okay, if key 4 is pressed, if the key 4 is pressed, we are updating the screen flag as start mode. Here we are just supposed to implement what will happen if the case is start mode. If case is start mode, we have to just start cooking with the time, initial time as what? 30 seconds. Initial time as what? 30 seconds. If start mode is selected, directly display time only. Directly we can call function display time with initial cooking time as 30 seconds. Then remaining things all will remain same only. And one more additional thing is, when key 4 is pressed, okay, your cooking time should get added with 30 seconds every time. Your cooking time should get added with what? 30 seconds every time. Okay. So here I'll take case statement. Okay, as a start mode. If the case is what? Start mode. Control C. If switch 4 is pressed and you have opted for okay start mode. Then okay, we will call a function called heat food. We'll call a function called what? Heat food. Okay, let us define this as well as I'll copy this. We'll put the prototype here. Void okay, copy it. Okay, I'll just implement here in the last, just removing the extra spaces, that's it. So you implement it anywhere, I'll just put it in the our last function, what we are implementing, heat food. Okay, in the heat food, what we are doing is we are just going to start seconds with okay 30. We have our variable here, right? Seconds with the 30. And from here, what should happen? We have to turn on the timer. We have to turn on the fan to indicate that we are going to start cooking. Okay. TMR2. Okay. On. We have to start down counting. So turn on the timer. Okay. To indicate that, okay, we have started cooking, we'll assign fan as 1. Okay. Then next. Yeah, and minutes also 0. Minutes is initially 0. Turn on the timer. Then from here what I will do, I'll just change my screen flag to, okay, display time. I'll just change my screen flag to what? Display time. When display time will be there, this function will be called and we are going to display the time. Display the time. Yeah, so here again additional thing that is done. If you see the requirement, what, okay, we have to just switch to the start mode and display the time with 30 seconds. That is done. One more additional thing is, if key 4 is pressed, we have to keep adding for the cooking time with 30 seconds. That also I'll put it here in the main. Okay, once we'll display the time, here in the main we have that for option. When your screen flag is display time, okay, here we have options for, we have done for pause, start, okay, and also for pause. When pause, we have going back to start. That all things we have done. Yeah, so if the switch 4 is pressed, what we have to do, we have to keep adding the cooking time with 30 seconds. We have to add cooking time with what? 30 seconds. Okay, so this should happen only when, okay, you're previously, okay, this should happen when you're in, okay, quick heating mode. So I'll just put here seconds is equal to seconds plus 30. Keep adding the cooking time. When key 4 is pressed, keep adding the cooking time. Then after that, whenever cooking time we are adding, if the seconds becomes greater than 60, then what we have to do is we have to keep incrementing the minute. Okay, so what I will be doing here is minute plus plus. Okay. Then after that we are incrementing. At that time we have to make seconds back to 0. That's nothing but seconds minus. Okay, whenever we are incrementing, okay, minutes, seconds decrement by 60. So what is happening whenever you press the switch 4? What we have to do is we have to keep incrementing the seconds. So when seconds become greater than 59, we have to keep incrementing the minutes. And at the same time, we have to just decrement the seconds by, okay, 60. We have to decrement it because we are incrementing minutes by 1. Okay, so here I'll clean and build. Okay, so many issues, so many, okay, variables I'm making wrong. I think you can see here. Whenever error is there, right, you can see here in the main.c is my error. What is my error? It is telling undeclared. So here seconds and minutes I have not declared. So only I am getting here error. So what we will do is we will, okay, call this. Okay, we will declare this in the main also. Okay, what I will do, I'll extern seconds and minutes here also. I am extending it in the, okay, ISR. I'll extend it in the main also. Control C in the main. You saw the, okay, error, right? What is the error telling? See, when you click on this output, if you just click on that line, it will take you where is the error. Go to the output window. Whenever you're fixing the error, if you just click on that line, it will tell you, okay, it is that line. Now it will tell you where is the error, which file, and what is the error. And if you just click there, it will take you to that line. So my error is what? Minutes and seconds variable are not declared. So since I'm going to use the same variable here in the ISR and micro one, I'm going to extend them. Clean and build. Yeah, so I'll just load it, reload last. So here we have done with complete project. We'll go to the complete project once. Later I'll tell you what you have to submit, when you have to submit, and where you have to submit. Okay. So first thing is micro mode. Yeah, so power, it will show you the, then allowing you to enter the time. I'll just enter 20 seconds only. Then you can clear it, you can enter it. Just clear it. I'll enter 5 seconds. Then enter. Yeah, so your option is there to pause it, start it. Okay, enjoy your meal. Time up already before the time up. Then grill mode. I'll select a grill mode. Okay, here also it will allow, okay, user to enter the time. I'll again enter, okay, 45 seconds. Okay, here you can press hash to enter it. Yeah, you can start, pause and stop. I'll just stop it by pressing the switch 6. So when I pause, it will stop it, it will come back to what? Main screen. Okay, then after that, okay, third, convection mode. In the convection mode, it will allow you to, okay, enter the temperature. I'll enter the temperature as 450, and you can see it will become, okay, when I enter it will become 180. Okay, so again it's down counting here. Okay, down counting will happen. It is preheating. Yeah, okay, once this is done, what we will do is we'll discuss where to submit, what to submit, and when to submit. Okay. Yeah, whatever doubts are there, you can ask me, okay, later. So what is happening once preheating is done, it allowing the user to enter the time. So I'll enter the time again. Okay, after entering the time, what is happening is exactly going to blink position 1. Yeah. Then starting. So again here allowing the user to pause. Okay, cooking, start cooking and stop the cooking. Then next what we have implemented is start mode. Okay, so here we are starting. Okay, you can see when I click on the start mode, by default your cooking will start with 30 seconds. And whenever I press the switch 4, the cooking time increases by 30 seconds. Your cooking time increases by what? 30 seconds. Again here you can pause the cooking, start the cooking and also stop the cooking. So this is all much what you have to do here. Okay, fine. And one more thing here, one more thing also is the issue. Okay, I'll show you ISR. Someone is asking for ISR. See, in ISR, only one thing I have done. Preheating, I'm decrementing for every 1 second. Preheat, every time I'm decrementing every 1 second. And these are our variables, seconds, minutes, preheat, which we are taking everywhere. I'm just using from ISR, these functions are there, right? This variable, seconds and minutes. I'm using them into main also, seconds and minutes. And one more thing, what I will do, I will take this reset flag. Okay, going back to the micro one. When we are switching from in the temperature, when the set temperature we are switching, right? Okay, there I will make reset flag also as reset because some variables to be initialized again. Okay, I will use external reset flag also. Okay, I will use reset flag also. I'll extern here. I just extend reset flag and also I'm resetting the flag here after setting the temperature because when we go to the micro mode, we have to initialize also few things. We have to initialize also few things. When we're switching the screen flag to micro mode, I'm resetting the reset flag also here as reset flag. Yeah, that much only. Okay, I just put the reset flag because it is okay showing some issues in the convection mode. Okay, I'm selecting convection mode. Yeah, so here we are done with the project. Okay, almost we are done. Okay, this is what we are also supposed to implement. Okay, if you are implemented along with me, good and fine. Anyone completed along with me? Anyone completed along with me? If not completed, what we can do is you can watch the recorded session and complete it. What, Manjula, what you want me to explain in simple? Which part? So the requirement or part already I have explained, Manjula, that you can watch as a recorded session. Completed. Mitra completed. Okay, Mitra completed. 1 minute. Mitra completed. Sharif completed. Madhu Prakash completed. Deepak completed. Yeah, you can change the code here and there. Deepthi completed. Manjula, see, so many have completed. I will check. Okay, I will check your code. You share me the video. If you have taken some, yeah, you'll get goodies. Who has completed today, you'll get goodies, but I will verify. Okay, your video. If you have taken from someone else and submitted, I will not give goodies. Just simply telling completed will not work. And if you have taken any code from your seniors and you're submitting and all, okay, I will not take it. Yeah, who has not completed, you can watch the recorded session and you can complete. I know if you have taken from anyone and you are submitting, that will not work. Prerna, you have to write the code. I am not sharing the code. Project code will be not there. You have to sit and write the code, Prerna. I will tell you how to submit. Yeah, fine here. So next important part, what to submit. Okay, where to submit. Okay, when to submit. Okay, what to submit. So what you have to do is you have to create a PPT. You have to create a PPT. What all this PPT should contain? You can create a PPT or PDF. Anything is fine. You can create a PPT or a PDF. Anything is fine. Okay, create a PPT or a PDF where you should explain what you have learned in this internship. What you have learned in this internship. Okay, what you have learned in this internship? Okay, that you have to make entire what all it contains, like you have learned C programming. Okay, then what you have learned about embedded system, what all things you have done. Okay, what all peripherals you have done, that all things should be there in your slides. Then after that, once you make this slides or PPT, or PPT or PDF, what you have to do is you have to record a video. You have to record what? Video. Face is not required. Your face is not required. You can just use a screen recorder. Record a video. Record video where you are explaining this PPT. Record a video where you are explaining this PPT. Where you are explaining this PPT. Okay, record a video where you are explaining this PPT. Okay, after explaining the PPT, what you have to do is, okay, at the end you have to, okay, demo the project you have done. Demo means you have to open simulator, show the output. Demo the project and explain also. Demo the project. Okay, along with simulator. Along with the simulator means whatever the tool is there, right? That tool. You have to explain it on the Pixim lab. On the Pixim lab, we have to demo it. Demo the project, okay, along with Pixim lab means in the Pixim lab you should be okay running your code. Okay, your project should be running and you have to explain your project using that Pixim lab. These all things should be there in a recorded video. You have to record a video explaining that PPT, and at the end we have to demo the project and you have to explain it. These all things you have to record. After recording, upload it into the YouTube. Upload in YouTube. Upload in YouTube, and after uploading in the YouTube, share the link with us. How to share the link? I'll tell you. Share the link with us. Okay, in LMS, okay, I will be setting the time and all. Okay. Okay, here I will open this. This link will be not visible for you for now. Okay, here. Okay, you have project video, project presentation and video. Here you have to submit it. This is not visible for you now. It's not available. I'll enable it. You have to submit it here. Oral presentation and video recording. Here you have to upload your YouTube link. Here you have to upload your YouTube link. Okay, share link with us. Okay, where I have told you. And when? Okay, I'm going to set the deadline. Okay, today is what? Okay, today is 12. Okay, you submitted by January 26. You submitted by what? January 26. So you have 2 weekend time. Okay, 2 weekends are there. Okay, till there you can sit and complete it. Okay, I have set the deadline. No more extension will be given. Last Jan 26 is the last date. Jan 26 is the last date. Jan 26, 26 is your last date. Okay, Jan 26 is the what? Last date. Okay. So last date is Jan 26. This is what you have to submit. Where you have to submit, I showed you. And more on this again, I will put again one announcement also. Where you have to submit, what you have to submit. Okay, everything is okay, will be shared with you. And also what I will be doing is, some of people have missed the weekly test. So you can take your weekly test 2 and 3 by tomorrow. Whoever has missed it, I will enable it only for tomorrow. Till tomorrow night, 9 o'clock, you can take it. I will be re-enabling your weekly test 2 and 3, that you take it by tomorrow. Okay, that you take it, and these are all things what you have to submit. Then about, some people will be asking, can we do group submission? Yeah, you can do group submission, but rules for group submission, you can do individual submission also. Anything is fine. Individual is actually better. Okay, you can do group submission, you can do individual submission, both are fine. But some rules for group submission, okay, max 4 people only. Max 4 people only, not more than that. And when it comes to video recording, okay, in PPT, all the 4 names should be there. In PPT, all 4 names should be there. See, if any one of the rules is not followed, you will not get the certificate. You will get 0. Okay. 4 names should be there. Then when you are video recording, all 4 people should talk. You do it batch by batch or anything. Okay. One person only talking will not fetch you. Okay. Marks. All 4 people should talk. All 4 people should explain the, okay, presentation. You can explain part by part. All 4 people should explain this. You can explain what? Part by part. Okay. All 4 people should be explaining this PPT. Okay. One by one should explain. Then each one of you have to submit it. It's not that my friend has submitted, give me marks. That will not work. Everyone should must and should submit the project. Everyone should must and submit the project. You are doing group also. Everyone must, okay, should submit it. Each one of you have to submit. Have to submit the video. Is this clear? Yeah, you can ask your questions now. Yeah. Likit Gowda is asking what project you have to do is whatever we have done till now. Likit Gowda, watch recorded session and do it. What we have implemented till now. Okay, Arif is asking, ma'am, we should explain the simulation only, right? Yes, explain the simulation only. What should be the video length? Okay, 15 to 20 minutes. Can't we to the video recording forward? I did not understand. Yeah, two people also you can do group, no problem. 2 person you can do, 4 people you can do, 3 people you can do. Yeah, Tejashwani, if you're traveling, you can go and watch the recorded session and do it. PPT must have how many slides? Okay, minimum is 10, maximum your wish. In MC module, only 2 tests are conducted. You can attend them. You can implement the project on your own code, Vaibhavi, but it should be same. Output should be same. You cannot change the output. The requirement PDF is there with you. Just use the requirement PDF and do it. What is your question, Srijan? Code need not be part of your PPT. Don't put code in the PPT. Adhiraj, don't put the code in the PPT. 2 people is okay, Prerna. What topics, Vaibhav? Manjula, what you're asking? Okay, ma'am. Yeah, in a single video only PPT and recorded video. In a single video only you have to put PPT, you have to explain PPT. After that you have to explain the demo. Same video. In the first, once you start recording the video, first explain the PPT. After explaining the PPT, you have to demo the output. You have to demo the output. No project report is not required, Ankita. Just video is enough. How can we forward the video recording? I told you, Samiksha, upload it in YouTube. Share the link with us. Last date for submission is January 26. Including slides and simulation. Yeah, yes, Sudarshan. 15 to 20 minutes. You can maximize. You can take it half an hour also, no problem. But minimum 15 minutes video should be there. You have to upload video in YouTube. Okay, after uploading the video in YouTube, share the link with us in LMS. You upload your link. Okay, upload the link in LMS. Upload the link in LMS. If me and my friend do we need to submit PPT? Yeah, both have to submit the video. If you're doing it together also, both have to submit it. No need to explain the code. Coding is not required. Coding part is not required, just demo it. Just demo the output. Do we have to share the PPT also? No, not required. Only video recording you have to submit. Yeah, I will enable the weekly test tonight. You can write it by tomorrow night if you have missed it. On YouTube, anywhere you upload. On your channel, you can create your own channel and upload the video. Video should be having both PPT and demo. Both should be in same video. Shubham. Your video should contain both. Last date is January 26. No format. You just create no template. Template will be not provided. No template. Template is not there, your wish. On YouTube, you can just upload the video. You want to create channel, you don't want to leave it, it's okay. Just upload the video in the YouTube and you can share the link. Just upload your video on the YouTube and share the link. That is enough. Okay, if you are doing in the group, everyone must one by one, all the four should be explaining it. If only one voice is there in the video, you will not get marks. If you are doing group submission, each one of you must explain the demo. Okay, fine. We will stop here. You have more doubts, you can just post in a discussion forum. Okay. We'll stop here. You have any more doubts regarding submission and all, please post in a discussion forum. Yes, Region, what happened? What is your issue, Srijan? See, don't upload the video in LMS. We don't have enough storage. Please don't upload the video in LMS. Please don't upload the video in LMS. If you want, you upload into your drive. Upload into your Google Drive and share the link. Make sure you are giving access to anyone. You are giving access to everyone. Fine. Okay. Okay, we'll stop here. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone, for attending the session. Thank you, everyone, for your support. Okay, and thank you, everyone, for attending the classes and doing the project. Okay, you have any questions, any queries? Okay, you post it in a discussion forum. I'll be helping you out there. Blinking is going on. Srijan, you ask it in discussion forum. I can help you out there more clearly instead of here. No, don't do a washing machine. You go with micro oven. Yeah, Likit, you can upload it in Drive and share the link. That is also fine. You either put it in YouTube or put it in Drive link, anything is fine. Yes, okay, thank you everyone. Good night. Okay, so more queries, please post it in discussion forum. Okay, thank you everyone. Good night. More queries about the submission, you can post in a discussion forum. I'll answer there. And also regarding your queries in doing the project, also you can post it there. Till Jan 26 is the last date. Till Jan 26, I'll be answering your queries. You get stuck anywhere, you get anywhere paused in your project, you can let us know. I will help you there. You just share your screenshot of the code, share the screenshot of the error. I will help you with the project sub completion. Okay. If you have not completed the project, watch the recorded session and complete the project. Only video, Adiraj, only video.